cute and precious. So this is Tex-Mex. Do they know their names? So if I say Tabacky, will he come here?
Yes.
Tabacky! Hey, come here, puppies. This is Tabacky. He's a lab. Here, there we go. Hey! And then Granby.
I think Granby likes having puppy friends.
So, Nick, my brother, is here visiting with his girlfriend, and those are his dogs. Tabacky is the bigger one, and Tex-Mex is the little one. They're both puppies. They're so cute. I'm already obsessed with them, but I love you. Oh, you're so curious. Not anymore. Oh, and then oh, look, and then there's the ugly one. Only the best. Crap, what's it called? What kind of stuff do they sell here?
Custard?
Custard and Italian ice?
Is it a custard?
Only the best Italian ice and frozen custard in all of the land. Okay. Sending Jay that because he asked what Rita's was. But
Jay or Jade?
Jay. So we are going to Rita's. Okay.
Keep going, Rita.
Danielle's driving.
I don't know where to go into this parking lot.
Rita's is over there. It's so beautiful. Look at that, man. Oh, Lordy. Why do we go to this one when there's one like right next to where we live?
This is by my job, stupid. Okay, now you're just gonna find some more car.
I don't know what I want to get though.
You know, where's Daddy? Yeah, Danielle really doesn't want to be in it. Why are you scooting over? Fine, go sit by Daddy.
If you're gonna turn the camera off, just going to sit right back down next to me.
Probably. You had the most complicated order.
It's really not that complicated. It's swirl, Reese's Pieces, Oreos, whipped cream, and cherry.
They're required to wear hats.
Hey guys, so we just finished Rita's and now we are on the way to go to the gym. I'm going to meet up with Hayley bug.
Does it still look like there's a filter on there?
It doesn't look like it when I'm filming.
So it only shows up like, that's weird.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to have the camera looked at.
But anyways. Is there traffic? Oh, they may be coming. Was there traffic when we came?
No.
My friends may be coming.
You're not like gonna leave Hayley bug, are you? She's gonna leave you.
She's gonna stay with Tina and Sarah. This is not my home. Okay, this is her home. I don't come here, so I'm not going in until she escorts me. Even though she is 7 or 8, I don't even remember.
She's 8.
She's still a 2-year-old in my head.
With their little curls.
Like, you are my escort. Can you not hear me? I said you are my escort. You need to hurry up and get your cute little booty over here. Okay? Yes. You better be coming. Where am I at? I'm in the gym.
Right, 6:30 open gym.
What? I'm not in the gym.
They just called for you though.
I'm like there, but like not in there. No? Okay, well, you know what? Just get here quickly, please. I need you.
Get your socks on. Get your other socks.
Oh, they're literally 2 seconds away. Okay, bye. See you in a minute.
Is anybody here for 6:30 open gym? Give me a shot.
Okay, I'm going in last because she's coming in.
Okay. I don't think there's much of a line.
I have to go give her a hug.
Get your... I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bossy pants over here.
You took forever.
Sure.
Sure, you took forever.
Yeah, take your shoes off. You're going in.
You missed all the rules. He talked about the rules and you missed them all. Hey guys, it's getting lit with the crew.
I didn't say sexy. Oh, you just said it. Not me.
All right, show your dance moves, Via. Oh, get it, girl. That's what I'm talking about. All right, can you measure up to her greatness?
I don't know. That's really possible.
Oh, girl. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Honey. That deserves a high five. Yours deserves a high five.
Yeah, oh, I just missed. What you gotta do that? Bam.
There you go.
Okay, you ready? Give me a high five. Don't leave me stranded. It's time. It's time for Amelia. 3.
Gimme. Hi. Hi. No. Grammy, give me love. Give me love. Did she take my stuff? Okay, well, I'm home now. Oh, Mom, you're in that. And tomorrow, Billy's taking me to Six Flags, so I'm really excited. I haven't been in like, when did we go to Six Flags Arlington?
I think it was 2014 or 15. Either 14 or 15.
Like 3 years. So, yeah, I missed it. I mean, I miss it. So, I miss it. Okay, but if you did like this video, please give it a big, huge thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all so much, my baby K's, and I'll see you guys next time. Baby, say bye!